there, kitchen lovers! Today, we're highlighting must-have gadgets that truly pay for themselves by cutting down prep time, reducing waste, and helping you save more money with smarter, faster cooking solutions. Links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Starting with number 1 is the Beckold DAF Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. This utensil set includes a wide range of heat-resistant tools like spatulas, tongs, whisks, and ladles, designed for everyday cooking and baking. Made from food-grade silicone over reinforced cores, they can withstand high temperatures without melting or damaging cookware. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and built for long-term use, this set replaces multiple low-quality tools. Number 2 is the Kitchen-Dale Multi-Purpose Cheese Slicer Cutter. This slicer delivers thin, even slices for cheese, vegetables, fruits, or meats using an adjustable stainless steel wire blade. It glides smoothly without breaking softer items, making it ideal for sandwiches, salads, or serving boards. The adjustable thickness feature helps reduce waste and improve portion control, compact and easy to store. Number 3 is the SV Bake Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. This SV Bake salad spinner makes preparing fresh salads quick and easy, with its smooth spinning mechanism that removes excess water efficiently. It keeps greens crisp and prevents watery dressings. Made from durable stainless steel with a clear bowl, it can also double as a serving dish. Its large capacity handles family-sized portions, while the non-slip base and locking lid ensure stability, easy to clean, and space-saving in design. Number 4 is the Yamud Multi-Handheld Mandolin Slicer. The Yamud Multi-Handheld Mandolin Slicer delivers precise restaurant-quality cuts for vegetables, fruits, or cheese, using ultra-sharp adjustable stainless steel blades. It can create paper-thin slices, julienne strips, crinkle cuts, or thicker pieces in seconds, making it perfect for salads, stir-fries, garnishes, or homemade fries. Its compact foldable design includes a built-in handguard and non-slip grip for safe and controlled use, even for beginners. With multiple interchangeable blades that store neatly inside, it saves space and is ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go meal prep. Number 5 is the Bofu Yin Kitchen Scissors. The Bofu Yin Kitchen Scissors are a versatile all-in-one tool, with razor-sharp stainless steel blades that easily cut through poultry, herbs, pizza, packaging, and more. They outperform basic scissors while also functioning as jar openers or seafood crackers, reducing the need for multiple tools. Micro-serrated edges provide a firm grip on slippery foods without tearing, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Number 6 is the Kitchen Knife Set. This kitchen knife set brings professional precision to your countertop with a collection of high-carbon stainless steel blades. It typically includes a chef's knife, sentoku knife, and utility knife, covering slicing, chopping, and dicing tasks with ease. The blades are sharpened for long-lasting performance, while ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip. Built for balance and durability, this set replaces mismatched knives and improves efficiency in everyday cooking. Number 7 is the stainless steel 8-quart stockpot. This stockpot is ideal for soups, pasta, stews, or large family meals, thanks to its durable multi-layer construction that distributes heat evenly and prevents hot spots. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, it offers versatile use in any kitchen. Its large capacity handles batch cooking with ease, while sturdy handles and a drip-free rim improve control. The tempered glass lid helps retain moisture while allowing you to monitor cooking progress. Number 8 is the Demaxia Air Fryer Basket for Oven. The Demaxia Air Fryer Basket transforms a regular oven into a high-performance air fryer. Its stainless steel mesh design allows hot air to circulate evenly, producing crispy results with significantly less oil than traditional frying. It usually includes a tray and basket set that handles fries, wings, vegetables, and leftovers with ease. Built to withstand high temperatures, it ensures even cooking while reducing mess with a drip tray. Dishwasher safe and versatile. Number 9 is the Crinkle Cutter Knife. The Crinkle Cutter Knife adds texture and style to your food with its wavy blade design, turning simple vegetables into crinkle fries, decorative slices, or garnishes. It cuts through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more with ease, creating surfaces that crisp up better during cooking. Made from durable stainless steel with a comfortable grip, it ensures safe and consistent results. Number 10 is the LHS Multifunctional Food Chopper. The LHS Food Chopper simplifies prep work with its manual pull cord system that quickly chops vegetables, herbs, nuts, or even small portions of meat. Its sharp stainless steel blades work inside a sealed container, reducing mess and eliminating the need for electricity. Compact and portable, it's perfect for small kitchens, travel, or quick tasks. With interchangeable functions and easy cleaning, it saves both time and effort while delivering consistent results. Number 11 is the Kitchen Star 14-inch Pizza Stone. The Kitchen Star Pizza Stone helps you achieve crispy, evenly baked pizza at home by absorbing and retaining high heat. Its durable construction ensures consistent cooking, creating a perfect crust without soggy centers. Suitable for ovens or grills, it also works well for bread, flatbreads, and other baked dishes. Number 12 is the Zoe Plus Chloe Spatzel Maker. The Zoe Plus Chloe Spatzel Maker allows you to prepare traditional homemade dumplings quickly and evenly. Its stainless steel surface and sliding mechanism create uniform strands of dough directly into boiling water. Easy to use and clean, it's perfect for making fresh, authentic comfort food without complicated tools. Number 13 is the Raclette Table Grill. The Raclette Table Grill turns mealtime into a shared, interactive experience. With a dual-level design, you can grill meats and vegetables on top while melting cheese or preparing sides in small trays below. Adjustable heat control ensures even cooking, and its compact design fits easily on a tabletop. Ideal for gatherings, it allows everyone to cook their own food while enjoying a fun and social atmosphere. Easy to clean and versatile, it's perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Alright, if you found something you'd actually use, hit that like button and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart finds, and check the description for all the links before they're gone.